welcome back to my channel, Keeping It Real with Yogasini. Today is Fitness with Yogasini. Why? Because it's a Monday and we start a Monday with a fitness routine. Today we are going to do some yoga moves, yoga stretches which are essential for flexibility, for strength building and for everyday workout. If you do not work out, if you have never worked out in your life, do these stretches and reap the benefits. These are very good for flexibility, these are very good for strength building, and you do not need anything. All you need is a mat and an intention and the purpose to work out and live a fitter life. These are all yoga stretches, all yoga asanas that you can do sitting at home at your convenience. So no more excuses, let's begin the video. Standing side bend is a basic standing pose that stretches the spine and obliques and promotes better posture. This pose also strengthens the legs. If you're looking to stand taller and look leaner, you should learn how to do the standing side bend. Triangle pose stimulates and improves the function of blood throughout the entire body. It strengthens and stretches the hips, back, arms, thighs and legs and reduces blood pressure, stress and anxiety. Runner's lunge provides a deep stretch for the hips, hip flexors, groin and legs. If you learn how to do runner's lunge, you will have a simple pose to help open your hips, relieve tension and give your lower body a much needed stretch. Lunge poses in yoga practice are often repeated many times. A favorite among most yoga students, downward dog is an outstanding pose for stretching the low back, hamstrings, lower legs and feet. When you arrive in this pose, there is almost an instant sensation of relief as tightness along the entire back of your body is released. Anyone and everyone, yoga student or not, should learn how to do the downward facing dog. Yogi Squat is one of the best hip openers you will find. Yogi Squat can be uncomfortable when you are very tight in your hips. Once you begin to practice this position a few times, you will notice it begins to feel more tolerable, and with any luck, one day you will be looking forward to sitting into this pose for a longer period of time because it feels so good. Pigeon pose is a deep stretch for your hips and inner thighs. People love to find positions like pigeon that focus on opening up the hips because the hip area is tight on most people, whether they are active or inactive. Cat-cow pose is a pose anyone can do to stretch the back and promote spinal flexibility. Anyone can learn how to do cat-cow and it remains valuable for both the beginner and the advanced practitioner. Happy Baby opens and stretches the hips, groin and back and promotes relaxation. Learning how to do a Happy Baby pose will give you a comfortable pose to go to anytime you are in need of rest or recovery, whether during a yoga practice or simply stretching and recovering after a long day. So that was your yoga stretches for an everyday routine. You can do this in the morning, you can do this in the evening. You do not feel like working out, do these stretches, reap the benefits. I post fitness videos every Monday. Come back to my channel for weekly fitness videos. There are a whole lot of other fitness videos, diet videos on my channel. Check that out as well. Hit the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment telling me if this was beneficial, if this was helpful. I'm just trying to preach fitness and telling people to live a fitter life. That's about it. And if you like this video, thumbs up, and if you do not like this video, don't leave any hate or mean comments. I'm just an individual trying to do something good. Anyhow, come back to my channel. I'm also, by the way, I'm on the social media, Yogasini. Follow me there if you want to. Your life, your choice, your fitness. Take control of it. See you next week. Bye.